So, eto na ang Crystal Cabin. Nakapag-check-in na kami dito sa The Silka Hotel sa Kowloon. Yung kwarto namin, may dalawang bed dito, isang double, single, and then may sofa bed dito. May study area. And this is our toilet. We have dual sink, bowl, and a cute bathtub and shower. That's it. May 7-Eleven dito sa baba lang ng hotel. May microwave naman dito. May mga frozen foods. Nakabili kami nitong with Chinese steamed sticky rice with Chinese sausage. This is 26 HKD. Tapos ang tubig namin is 15 HKD isa. Yan.
Good morning. So, it's day 2 in Hong Kong. And dito tayo mag-breakfast ngayon sa hotel natin sa Silka Chuan Wan here in their Kin Rin Ko restaurant. So, there's still closed. They'll open at 7:30. Just a few minutes away. Dito yung buffet area nila. And okay naman yung mga seats. They'll check the food. Boiled eggs.
Đây là như là
Ham. Chicken sausage. There's sweet corn.
dạ hai cái một cái
Wow, it's fish meat siomai.
rồi lấy muối
Ito muna yung kakainin natin. Yan. Vegetarian noodles with siomai, corn, ham, and sausages, and may sticky rice lang. Ito si Dieter, salad lang. We have coffee and boiled eggs with baked beans. Next plate natin is salad. Ayan. Yan. In vinaigrette. Ito na, medyo madami ng tao. It's almost, I think it's already 8.
jerky pa lang
Past 8.
ilang salab yung
After mag-breakfast, ang hinanap agad namin is ATM to get Hong Kong dollars. Just outside our hotel, maraming mga convenience shops, mga local market din nagbebenta ng mga local produce. Ito merong Bank of China malapit. Dito tayo mag-withdraw ng cash, pambili ng octopus card, tsaka pang-load na din sa card natin. We got our octopus card, preloaded na siya ng 50 from 7-Eleven. Nakasakay na tayo sa 31M na bus going to Kwai Fong. Dito tayo sa double-decker bus, nasa ibabaw tayo sa pinakaharap. Okay. First official full day namin sa Hong Kong, so we decided to take the bus. Pero yung hotel namin, meron siya actually free shuttle going to Kwai Fong. But today we wanted to experience the full commute. Dito na tayo sa Kwai Fong Station. Sakay tayo ng train papuntang Central. Then bababa tayo sa Lai King. So we're now on the orange line going to Tung Chung. So ito na yung last MTR natin. Sasakyan going to Long Ping. Tapos pagdating sa Tung Chung, sasakyan na lang tayo ng bus. So first itinerary natin is Lantau Island. We are going to board the cable cars and visit Nong Ping Village. And then aakyat din tayo dun sa Big Buddha dun sa Nong Ping Village. So from the Tung Chung Station, katapat natin dito yung Citygate outlets. And then yung Citygate, mall siya actually, Citygate outlets. Tapos dito yung bus terminal. Hanapin natin yung bus papunta sa Nong Ping. Nandito pala yung station, or bus station going to Nong Ping. Bus number 23. There it is. pala yun. Tatawid pa pala tayo. Dito na pala yung start ng cable car, pero mahaba pa yung pila doon sa ibabaw. So gagawin namin, magwa one way muna kaming bus papunta, and then pagbaba na lang kami sasakay ng cable car. And nandito na tayo sa pila. Medyo mas konti kaysa dun sa cable car. So antay lang natin dumating yung bus. Bus number 23. Dumating na tayo dito sa Nong Ping Village, pero una muna natin doon sa Buddha. Akit muna tayo dun sa Buddha. Before you reach the stairs going up to Buddha, dadan kayo dito sa malaking piazza. It's a wide piazza. And here you will see the statues of the 12 divine generals who acted as protectors in Buddhist culture. From the piazza, it doesn't look too far from here, but I read na it's 268 steps, so we'll see. Nasa highlands pala tayo. So malamig na ngayon sa Hong Kong, but it's much cooler here. And mataas yung araw, but yung hangin, the breeze is really cool. May tatry tayo ditong pagkain. Tag $30 to. Medyo mahal siya. So tikman natin kung masarap. Anong lasa? Fish? Crab?
Mag-show may crab.
Siomai na may crab. Okay.
Tapos,
Dito na tayo sa Big Buddha. Going up.
14.
So medyo malayo na yung narating natin. Ito pa, konting steps na lang, malapit na tayo sa ng Big Buddha. Ito na yung view natin from the top. Dito na tayo sa Big Buddha. There you go. Yes. From the Big Buddha, you can come here inside. May mga souvenir shops yata dito sa loob. Inside is actually a sacred hall, so photography and filming is prohibited inside. Once you enter, you will see 3 different floors. Yung first floor nila is Hall of Universe. This is where you can see the fascinating history of how they built this engineering marvel, along with beautiful paintings of the life and teachings of Buddha. The other floor is called the Hall of Benevolent Merit. It honors the history of Polin Monastery. And then the other one is the Hall of Remembrance. It houses a sacred relic of Gautama Buddha. Ito yung tinatawag nilang the offering of the 6 devas. So these smaller bronze statues, they are offering music, light, and incense to the Buddha, symbolizing the qualities needed to enter Nirvana. Pababa na tayo ng Big Buddha, and then we're going back to the Nongping Village, and then explore konti, tapos sasakay na tayo doon ng cable car pababa. Dito naman yung papunta sa monastery. Checkin natin yan in a bit. So katatapos lang natin manggaling dun sa Big Buddha. Pagbaba nyo dito, pwede tayong bumisita dito sa monastery. And tas may malaking open space dito. Last stress na ng hapon, nararamdaman ko yung init ng araw. Pero ang chill ng buga ng hangin. So it's really cool. And kahit medyo mataas and maraming steps yung hinakbang natin, hindi tayo nakaramdam ng pagod. Ayun, so punta tayo dito sa monastery. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Wow, meron siya parang ibong adar na dito na golden. So nice. Tapos may pond. And siyang garden. It's actually a garden. Daming flowers. And there's a nice pagoda. So nice. Zen garden. It's a nice garden. This is the way going to the Pauline Monastery. Pwede kayo magdasal dito at mag-burn ng incense. May mga colorful lanterns dito. And on that side, you will see naglalight sila ng mga incense. Ayun, ang Big Buddha. Doon tayo kanina galing. Dami pa rin umaakyat. Thank you, Buddha. Ang cool naman ng mga to. Lotus. So may 7-Eleven dito sa entrance ng Nongping Village and may washroom dito. Sa CR kayo, may malinis na toilet dyan. Maraming shops and doon yung papunta sa cable car. So day 2 pa lang natin sa Hong Kong. $240 na natira sa 600. So, kailangan natin magtipid. So, sasakay na tayo ng cable car. We are inside the Nongping 360 Village. Ayun o, may Starbucks dito kung gusto niyo magkape-kape or mag-snack. May Starbucks dito. Alright, we're entering the cable car area. Dito tayo sa Crystal Cabin. Yep. We booked Crystal Cabin. Papaskan lang natin yung QR code dito na nabili natin sa Agoda. Ito na, Crystal Cabin. Oh my God. Ito tayo sa cable car. And may motor. So, ito na ang Crystal Cabin. See-through sa ilalim. 1, 2, 3. Minsan lang naman kaming sasakay dito. So, we decided to go na for the Crystal Cabin. And it's literally, there's nothing but reinforced glass between your shoes and the valley below. Makikita mo yung napakagandang bird's eye perspective. Feels like you're flying actually. Medyo matagal din yung ride. Umabot din siya ng almost 25 to 30 minutes. So you have plenty of time to take videos and pictures here. And from here you will see the Hong Kong International Airport, the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge na dinaanan natin kahapon papuntang Macau, and matatanaw din natin from here yung Tung Chung Bay.
Sige, papiliin niya yun.
So dito na yung Tung Chung area. Dito tayo bababa kung saan natin nakita kanina yung entrance dito sa Citygate Outlets. Ayun, dumating na kami. We're here. That's it for our Nong Ping and cable car experience here in Lantau Island. See you on my other Hong Kong videos. For now, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe always.